डियर स्टूडेंट, आज हम पढ़ेंगे न्यू टॉपिक। टॉपिक का नाम है रिप्रोडक्शन इन लोअर एंड हायर प्लांट्स। Today's topic is reproduction in lower and higher plants. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हमको देखना है कि रिप्रोडक्शन क्या होता है। रिप्रोडक्शन, राइट, रिप्रोडक्शन यानी क्या? सो रिप्रोडक्शन मीन्स इट इज द कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म। सो फॉर्मेशन ऑफ न्यू इंडिविजुअल फ्रॉम pre-existing individual called as reproduction, or formation of new life from existing life called as reproduction. तो reproduction का मतलब हो गया कि अपने जैसे सिमिलर ऑर्गेनिज्म को जन्म देना, उसको हम क्या करते हैं? रिप्रोडक्शन। तो अपने को रिप्रोडक्शन कहाँ दिखना है? लोअर और हायर प्लांट्स में दिखना है, राइट। तो रिप्रोडक्शन, अब रिप्रोडक्शन के बेसिकली टाइप्स। There are two types of reproduction. First is the asexual reproduction and second is the sexual reproduction, right? So these two method of reproduction are basically occur in the living organism, plant as well as in animals. So these two reproductions, asexual and sexual, both are found in higher and lower plants. ये दोनों प्रकार के रिप्रोडक्शन हायर और लोअर प्लांट्स में पाए जाते हैं। हमको बेसिकली पहले पढ़ना है कि रिप्रोडक्शन लोअर प्लांट्स में, कौन से प्लांट में पढ़ना है अपने को? लोअर प्लांट्स में एसेक्सुअल एंड सेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन पढ़ना है, राइट। सो अभी हमको देखना है कि लोअर प्लांट्स और हायर प्लांट्स क्या है, राइट। तो एग्जांपल लोअर प्लांट्स में, लोअर प्लांट्स हियर एग्जांपल है ना, विच आर दी लोअर प्लांट्स। सो लोअर प्लांट्स लाइक एल्गी, Bryophyta means bryophytes, and pteridophytes. What is pteridophytes? These are the lower plants. And what about higher plants? Higher plants example, you know very well, flowering plants angiosperm and non-flowering plant gymnosperm. So here non-flowering plant like gymnosperm and angiosperm. Angiosperms also we know very well called as what? Flowering plants. Flowering plants, right. These are mostly found predominant on the earth, flowering plants. That is what is called angiosperm. And second is the gymnosperm, non-flowering plant. So these gymnosperm and angiosperms are higher plants. Algae, bryophytes and pteridophytes are lower plants. So first of all we will see the asexual reproduction in lower plants. Then after that we will see sexual reproduction in lower plant. After that we will see sexual reproduction in lower as well as higher plants, right? So asexual reproduction, asexual reproduction in lower plants. So there are different mode of asexual reproduction found in the lower plants, like fragmentation, second is the budding, again third one spore formation, right, and so fragmentation means here, so this fragmentation process are a type of asexual reproduction which takes place in some algae. Example, it is found in some algae like Spirogyra. Right, Spirogyra. So due to external pressure or any mechanical injury, this plant body, means algae, Spirogyra, breaks into the smaller fragments, and now these smaller fragments grow and form independent parent, independent Spirogyras. So likewise, fragmentation is the asexual mode of reproduction which is generally found in the algae like Spirogyra. Spirogyra is the freshwater algae. Now then, budding, it is also one of the method of asexual reproduction, and it is found in the yeast unicellular fungus, that is yeast, and multicellular animal like the hydra. So now third method of the asexual reproduction is the spore formation, and now this spore formation generally found in the algae as well as in the fungi. So in the algae, spores called as zoospore. In the algae, spores are called as zoospore. And now these zoospores are motile. Motile means having flagella, right? And in the fungus, non-spotile spore called as conidia. So under favorable condition, this spore formation taking place in the sporangia, and now the sporangia breaks and release the spore, and after getting the suitable substratum, this spore germinate and form the new algae and fungi. So spore formation is the asexual method of reproduction in the lower plants like the algae and fungi. So algae produces the motile spore, and motile spore called as zoospore, and fungi produces the non-motile spore. Which spore? Non-motile spores, and now this non-motile spores called as conidia. So example, which algae reproduces asexually by the spore formation? So likewise the Chlamydomonas. Which algae? Here example, Chlamydomonas. Chlamydomonas is the algae which reproduce asexually by the formation of zoospore, while the example of the fungi which produce the conidia. So example is like the Penicillium. And Aspergillus. Now this is the asexual mode of reproduction found in the lower organism, right? Now again some other methods of asexual reproduction are also found in the organism, like the regeneration. But regeneration generally found in the tapeworm, planaria, likewise, and so on. So now this is the particular asexual mode of reproduction in the lower plants, like the fragmentation, budding in yeast, hydra, spore formation in the algae and fungi, and regeneration in the planaria and other organisms.